Hello ladies, my name is Rebecca Ephraim and I am an electrical engineer living and working in the UK. So a little bit about my background. I studied electrical and electronic engineering at university about 4 years ago, where I graduated with a master's degree. The main reason I chose engineering was because I love maths and physics, and engineering was the best way for me to combine both subjects, which I really enjoyed. Another reason I chose engineering was because I love making things from scratch. Engineers have the ability to just sketch something on a paper and actually seeing it transform into something fantastic. So I faced lots of challenges throughout my education and career, but I would say the main challenge was dealing with the perception of people and what they thought about me being a female engineer. So in university, there have been lots of occasions where I walk into the lecture room and you can see men are looking at me like, what are you doing in this room? Are you lost or something? So at university, you have 100 men and about only 5 girls. Can you imagine that? 5 girls out of 100 men. So I'm not surprised that when I walked in, they thought I was lost or something, but you get used to it as you go along. Also, in my career, it was exactly the same thing. You walk into a meeting room and clients are thinking, oh, okay, this girl is coming to make a cup of tea. But actually, I was the engineer who was coming to run the meeting. Men get used to it, to be honest. It's a very male-dominated industry, engineering is. But the more they see your capabilities, they completely forget the fact that you're a woman. They treat you exactly the same. And that should be your main focus. Showing your capabilities and staying focused on your goal and not worrying about what people think about you. So I applied for my current job through my company's website. I was really looking for a job that could combine sort of office work and a bit of practical experience as well. I didn't just want to be sitting in the office all day, that's a bit boring. So as soon as I saw this job opportunity, I was so excited about it. I went through the application procedures and yeah, I got the offer, and 4 years later, I'm still working for the company. I have not been able to be where I am today without the help of mentors along the way. I've had so many people who are giving me fantastic advice and also helped me throughout my journey as an engineer. One of my greatest mentors was actually my elder sister. She also studied engineering and she was fantastic in the fact that she helped me to understand how to be successful and also to succeed whilst at university. She shared her challenges along the way and how she overcame them, and that really gave me the strength to know that if my sister can do it, I can do it as well. So during my university degree, every summer I sacrificed not going home. I stayed here in the UK and gained as much work experience as I